Hello viewers, welcome to my blockchain and Web3 development series. It's a basic series. I am just covering some basic stuff, basic development scenarios that we can start with to create or build professional level application. In our last video, we created a dApp using simple React platform and we interact with our ERC20 token. In this tutorial, I am going to give you an insight of how we can create a multi-contract React app in which you can manage and interact your tokens and different contracts in the same window. I am going to use ERC20 and SimpleStorage from our previous two videos. I will just continue these to see how we can manage these in just one single application. So the goal is to create a single React app that will connect to our MetaMask. For our case, it's Sepolia network or chain where we will read ERC20 and it will read and write simple storage value. Simple storage would be our contract from our previous videos and ERC20 is our token that is from our also from our previous video. We will see how we can log value change event in this. Let's move to the practical one. We created this ERP20D app in our previous tutorial. I am just going to bring my contract stuff here. For that, we need a contract address here. I will just copy and paste it over here. This is my white storage address. This is the same that we have deployed on Remit. Now we just need to update our ABI.mjs application binary interface. We already have ERC20 ABI. We need our storage ABI as well. So I will copy and paste it here like this. So this is my storage ABI. We have our ERC and storage ABI in our ABI.mjs. I save it. Now we just need to update our app.js. I will just copy and paste it here. You just need to debug this. If you don't know how the React works, you should go for learning those concepts first. I assume you already know the React programming or how to create application in React. I'm just incorporating blockchain and Web3 stuff in our React. This is our main. We just need to update the root according to our this application. So nothing would change for this. We can move on to our index. Here we just need to call this, that will be remain the same. We can just change the title as multi contract d app. So in this won't change. We will just run this application. We have just changed two things over here. Just added our storage ABI .env with our contract new contract storage address. Now just run this and see what we got. npm run dev. Our application has been deployed at this local address. Just open this, go to your browser, and you can see there are four sections. In the first one we will have the wallet information. In the second one we have ERP20 token that we created. In the third one there is a simple storage contract where you can store the value, and at the end you can see live update of your wallet transactions and storage. Let's connect over MetaMask platform over wallet. Click on connect. So it has been connected. You can see this is the address of my wallet. This is our ERC20 token, that is SH token. SHT is the symbol, 18 decimal. This 1500 is the total supply. We can transfer our ERC20 token from this section. We can also update the simple storage value. This is the address of our storage. We can update any value over here. Click set. It is setting the value, asking for confirmation. Let's confirm this. Confirm, and the value would be updated over here. It has updated our value. So in this way, you can manage a multi-contract decentralized app using your test chain. Keep practicing, try to clear the concept. Development is not tough or hard to do, but it is easy. You just need to know about the flows. You just need to know about the basic concept. If you face any issue or you have any query, just drop a message in comment section, or you can directly email me. I will respond it there. I will resolve your issues if you face during development. Thank you.